Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Today we are gonna make champurradas. I know, it sounds difficult, but champurradas are a traditional Guatemalan cookie. They are big, golden and crispy, good with a cup of coffee, hot chocolate or tea, perfect for this weather. So let's get ready and make these delicious champurradas. To make the champurradas or big Guatemalan cookies, you will need flour, butter, sugar, baking powder, vanilla, and egg. Now to start, cream the sugar and butter. The butter has to be room temperature, of course, and I like to use brown sugar, but you can totally use the regular one. Cream it until very creamy and fluffy and add the vanilla. After that, add one egg at a time until incorporated well. And start adding the flour, and then you add the baking powder until you have this consistency. I'm gonna show you. Now that we finish incorporating all these ingredients, I like to make the champurradas using my tortilla maker. It's easier and it feels more authentic, but you can totally use your cookie cutter, circle cookie cutter or hard cookie cutter, whatever shape you want to give to your champurradas. I form same size balls with the dough. Has to be same size so they can cook at the same time. And I put the little ball of dough in between the parchment papers and press it. And after that, they are very easy to grab and set it on top of a baking dish that is lined with parchment paper. And I continue doing this until I finish making all the champurradas. Now cover with the egg wash every champurrada, and traditional Guatemalan champurradas have sesame seed on top. If you don't like sesame seed, just leave it out. This is just gonna give it a nutty, delicious flavor, but it's okay if you don't like them. And bake them in a preheated oven of 300 degrees for 30 minutes until they're crispy and done. Now let's go try it, because here I'm getting very cold and I need a champurrada with coffee. I always feel better with a cup of coffee in my hands. Now let's try the champurradas. If you see here, I use a combination of black and regular sesame seeds, but if you don't like sesame seeds, that's okay. Just don't use them. And let's try them. Crispy, toasty, delicious. If you know a Guatemalan, we always have our champurrada like this. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda. And if you enjoyed this video of how to make these delicious champurradas, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.